Welcome to Inside Factory Work. This is the place where we take you behind the scenes of the world's factories and reveal how things are really made. From money printing and food processing to giant manufacturing plants, industrial machines, and advanced production technology, we explore the fascinating processes that transform raw materials into the products we use every day. Every video takes you deep inside real manufacturing processes, showing each step from start to finish in a simple, educational, and cinematic way. If you're passionate about factory documentaries, industrial technology, giant machines, and how it's made content, you're in the right place. To watch more amazing factory stories, manufacturing secrets, and behind-the-scenes production processes, be sure to subscribe to Inside Factory Work and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's go inside the factory and discover how today's product is made. Inside Factory Work, where we show you how things are really made.
Raw polymer material. The screen transitions toward the raw material section.
The silos are releasing the pellets into the conveyors now. Check the flow rate on the tablet. Looks correct, everything is running smoothly.
Feed Unit 14 operating at full capacity. Checks confirms flow rate steady. Good. Maintaining scheduled production.
Line 4 heating sequence engaged. Polymer temperature rising steadily. Systems confirm stable progression. Good work, Tom. The raw polymer enters its transformation phase. High temperatures and precise pressures refine the material.
The laser measurement is within tolerance. Did you see the small inclusion here? Yes, checking now. It looks minor, logging it as a non-critical defect.
The polymer film moves steadily through the precision rollers. The cooling process ensures uniform quality.
From these massive polymer rolls, we produce the substrate for the new generation of Canadian currency, built to last.
System check initiated. Tension confirmed. Ready for feed. Engaging unwinding sequence.
The tension is perfect. Checking the thickness now. Looks flawless. Keep it running.
The sensor is reporting a dip in thickness on the edge.
Acknowledge. Adjusting the tolerance thresholds now.
Quality check complete. Initiating next test sequence.
We need to ensure the optical clarity meets the aerospace standard here. The bright field analysis confirms it. The automated pass looks clean.
The roll is complete. Engage the robotic arm. Affirmative. Arm engaging now.
The polymer rolls on the left are the foundation. Now, let's examine the heart of the note. Security layer technology.
The alignment is holding perfectly. Noted, the sensors confirm the consistency. Proceeding to scanning stage. Excellent, the data feed looks stable.
The optical feedback is stable. We're seeing a high confidence level across the sample.
Verified. Cross-referencing with the thermal data now.
The laser is picking up some minor variations here. Check the specs again. Looks like it's within tolerance, but keep an eye on it. Affirmative. Proceeding with the scan.
The material is now ready for advanced security features.
The process is now initializing. Keep an eye on the feed mechanism. Affirmative. Looks good. Checking the laser alignment now. Clear. Quality looks optimal.
The holographic strip on the Canadian $100 note uses a unique lenticular technique.
Look closer at the polymer structure here.
Yes.
The breach appears to be originating from the ICS sector.
Acknowledge. I'm making a note to increase firewall inspections.
I'm seeing an anomaly here.
Yes, that's what I was looking at.
Let's double-check the encryption protocols.
The next chapter reveals the sophisticated intricacies of security layer technology. Observe the protected Canadian dollar polymer.
The sheets now enter a secure inspection chamber. Our engineers supervise advanced quality systems. The system's automated sensors analyze the holographic pattern, verifying its integrity. We've caught a slight inconsistency.
Utilizing advanced optical technology, the inspection equipment scans the polymer sheets for microscopic flaws, displaying the results instantly for quality assurance. The transparent window is one of the most important security features. These visible elements help the public identify genuine notes and protect against counterfeiting.
The analysis is complete.
Exceptional quality as always.
The sheets move rapidly, passing beneath high-precision cameras that scan for surface consistency. Any anomaly...
The yield rate on line 3 dipped significantly in the last hour. Is that correlating with the polymer input? We adjusted the temperature threshold, it stabilized.
The production rate on the polymer sheets is optimized.
Check the quality assurance on the next batch.
The sheets now arrive at the next production area. Welcome to the printing process.
The advanced polymer sheeting is entering the processing zone now.
Yes, I'm tracking the alignment data.
Watch for the first print pass here.
Looks perfect.
The OEE metrics dipped slightly during the shift change, but the yield stabilized immediately after.
Good. Let's keep an eye on the polymer feed rate for the next cycle.
Look at the uniformity on sector Gamma 9. The coder unit adjustments seem to have stabilized the flow.
The process is running smoothly. Quality check initialized. Status green.
The finished note represents the result of many carefully monitored production stages.
The analysis shows a minor inconsistency in the polymerization here.
Yes, the automated system flagged that section. Let's make a note.
Verified.
Finishing and quality control.
The precision alignment is holding strong.
Excellent.
Excellent. Maintain the throughput.
The thickness is within tolerance, but the yield is fluctuating more than expected.
Check the flow rate on Unit 3. It might need calibration.
Adjusting it now, that should stabilize the data.
The stabilization unit ensures the polymer sheets maintain consistent thickness and strength, a critical step in the manufacturing process.
The trace resistance is slightly elevated here.
Yes, the system flagged that too. Check the impedance profile.
Correct. It's borderline.
Ensuring the integrity of the currency is paramount. Every finished note undergoes strict quality checks before it is released to the public.
The sheets have been approved and are ready for the next stage.
Excellent. I'll update the inventory.
Monitor their progress closely.
Welcome to the Cutting, Counting, and Packaging Department.
Look at the yield metrics here. We're exceeding targets.
The automated adjustments are optimizing the finishing line performance significantly.
The system's running within tolerances. Check the defect count on the panel. Noted, looks good so far.
The approved polymer sheets move seamlessly toward the cutting section. Here, advanced robotic systems ensure continuous, high-precision production. Every finished banknote passes multiple quality inspections before release.
Look at the throughput metrics on line 4. We've optimized the arm movements by 15%. Yeah, that should significantly improve our cycle time.
Welcome to the final chapter of our journey. Cutting, counting, and packaging.
Approved polymer sheets are guided by robotic transport systems towards the precision cutting department, monitored closely by our engineering team.
The robotic arm precisely positions the polymer sheet, ready to initiate the cutting process. Verified alignment, commencing cut.
The data on this sheet matches the tolerance for the turbine blades.
Excellent. These are approved for the next stage.
Looks good, we can proceed with the final check.
Lessons. With final inspections complete, the approved polymer sheets enter the cutting department. The
dashboards show real-time progress. We're maintaining optimal throughput with the laser cutters.
Yes, I'm analyzing the efficiency metrics here.
Every note represents months of engineering, research, and quality assurance.
Chapter 4: Final Packaging and Distribution.
The robotic transport systems are operating within tolerance. Excellent. Proceed with packaging. Monitoring parameters now.
Parameters confirmed. Cut sequence initiated. Quality checks passed. Batch 4-2 ready for transfer.
After rigorous quality approval, these systems organize the finished Canadian $100 polymer banknotes into secure stacks.
Looks clean. Mark it as inspected.
Verified. Good to go.
The precision is remarkable. We're exceeding production targets. The camera slowly moves through the secure storage warehouse where sealed transport pallets await authorized shipment.
Is that the final count for the second truck?
Affirmative. Seals are secure. We are clear for departure.
Journey begins with raw polymer material, transformed through a complex process into the secure, finished banknote you see protected behind this glass.
Journey is complete. Through precision and innovation, we've secured the future of our currency. A testament to our dedication. Truly a masterpiece.